Hi girls, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and I coach women how to write a better story for their lives. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something new that's coming to Planner Perfect this summer. You're not going to want to miss. Okay, you guys, I am so excited about this. I have been sharing with you how I've been wanting this in my store for a long time, and it is coming. So I was talking about how in my community that I wanted to be able to recreate kind of like a stalogy kind of paper, and but to be able to have a cover for that has like a bound book, like 365 pages. That really would be absolutely beautiful. Well, I've done it, and it has like my daisy, my watercolor daisy on the cover, and it's going to be in several of my Planner Perfect's colors. So without further ado, before I turn you around, I want to show you this way first. So here are the books. And I wanted to get them in front of your face, like right here. And then, of course, it's a wrap. You see how cute? When it's on your bookshelf, it's like stunning. I love it, love it, love it. So it's got 365 pages of this beautiful paper. I wanted to really emulate Stalogy's paper, which is kind of a really thin paper. It's got kind of some of that shadowing even when you're writing on it. I opted and made mine dot grid versus graph, and I am so happy I did. I absolutely love it. It's for you to do with whatever you want to do with to write a better story in this book. Right now, I'm even, and I'm going to show you when I turn you around, but I'm just like writing all of the desires of my heart, doing scriptures in here, my prayers, desires, and then just each day logging, that kind of a thing. So it's kind of like a quiet time, kind of a everyday journal. And I am absolutely in love with it. Love with it, love with it, love with it. So I'm just gonna flip you around right now, and I'm gonna show you these books close up and personal. They are going to come in teal, pale pink, yellow, like a pale yellow, a light yellow, and an orange. So I'm totally excited. Let me flip you around and give you a closer look at these. Guys, let's take a closer look at these beauties. Number one, they are hardbound. Number two, this is 2 out of 4 that I want to feature. So we've got the teal, pale pink, it'll be pale yellow, and then orange. Those are my Planner Perfect colors. They're going to be so gorgeous, could be lined up on a bookshelf, all lined up. It's just so stunning together. All of it's stunning. I can't. There's the backs. It's a wraparound. We've kind of got the pale gray here with the beautiful pale pink, and then a darker gray here with the teal. 365 pages. Beautiful, glorious paper. I wanted to show you a little bit. You've kind of got this little front little paper here, and then you've got this paper that I can only kind of do this for you. The complete detail of this paper will be in the store, but it is delicious and almost exactly to like the Stalogy paper, very thin, has the kind of the ghosting, which is really, really gorgeous when it comes to you know, how that, you know, the paper feels. Dot grid is what I wanted to do for this. I absolutely love it. Bound, hard bound, look at this. Absolutely stunning to write your story. I mean, you can journal in this for every day for the whole year. It's just absolutely gorgeous. We have another one here. So many different ways you can use these. This is the pale pink, again, stunning. Coming in 4 colors, will also be coming in soft bound. So you can glide those into my traveler's notebooks. Again, daisies in the 4 different colors. I know you're gonna love these. I hope, egads, these are stunning. These are coming late May, early June. Be looking out for them.